I'm Lakshya and I'm back again with this maths. So here in this video, let's deal with a few important maths questions, guys. So here you have the first one. If A equals to set of x's to x belongs to n, means natural numbers we know, where natural number starts from 1, where x is less than 5, and B equals to set of x's to x belongs to n, where 2 is less than x less than 7. Then draw Venn diagram for A union B. So here they asked to draw the Venn diagram for A union B. So here they have given two sets, where A set A and B set. So firstly guys, to draw the Venn diagram for this, we must find the values of A set values and B set values according to the given rules. Okay, now here let's solve it with solution. First let's find the A values. A set values. Okay, so where A equals to, here they have given what set of x is to x belongs to n natural numbers which starts from 1. So here I can say x is a natural number, right? So when x is less than 5, then the A values will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So this is what we can find out the values of A. So A set value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And what else? Here you have B set 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B or B set values. So here I have given when x is to x belongs to n, where 2 is less than x less than 7. So here the values for this B set will be 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So these are the values for B set. Now here they ask what? Then draw Venn diagram. So Venn diagram for A union B. Now let us draw the Venn diagram. We know drawing the Venn diagram, right? We have learned where this question is from sets. Okay, so let this be the universal set. Okay, let this be the universal set. Here you have A set and B set. Let this be A, B. Now in this given one, okay, in this given values where 3, 4 are common, when A values are 1, 2, 3, 4, B values are 3, 4, 5, 6, where 3, 4 is common in both cases, right? So where 3, 4 is common. So here I can write like 3, 4 over here, 3, 4. Okay, where common numbers in both the sets. Here it will be 1, 2, 5, 6. So 1, 2 over here, 1, 2 in A set and 5, 6 in B set. So here I got what? In A set I got 1, 2, 3, 4. In B set I got what? 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what we have written. So this is the Venn diagram. Now they ask what? Then draw the Venn diagram for A union B. Now what here would be is A union B. So therefore A union B will be set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay, this will be the one for this given question. Clear? Clear? Now let's check whether the given pair of linear equations where x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 is are these linear equations are intersecting lines or parallel lines. So we must check whether these given linear equations, these given pair of linear equations, are intersecting or parallel lines, okay, or coincident lines, we know, but here they have given to find whether these are intersecting or parallel. Now to find this, guys, what we do is solution. Let us write down the given two pair of linear equations they have given. So this will be the first equation and this will be the second one, where x plus, let me write down the equations, where x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0, and the second one here given what? 2x plus 4y. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So this is the second one. Now here guys, to find whether these are intersecting or parallel, what we do is just consider a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. We have learned this in the linear equations lesson, right, in the math. Now what we do is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. It goes like this. So here this will become a1 and this will become a2, this will become b1, this will become b2, like this. It goes on, okay. Now what you do? a1. So let me write down the a1 value, guys. Where a1 equals to, here in this one we should consider only the constant numbers. Okay, consider only the constant. Consider the numbers. Don't consider the variables. So here where a1 equals to, here I have got x. There is no equals to 1 and a2 equals to a1 by a2 equals to 2 over here. Okay, don't consider the variable, consider the constant. Don't consider the variable, consider the constant. Now here I have 2. So 1 by 2. Clear? Where a1 by a2 we got what? 1 by 2. Okay, or guys you can make like firstly finding, you can find firstly a1 value, a2 value, b1 value, b2 value. Then you can also make by a1 by a2 means 1 by 2 like that. Also it's good. Now here you have the second one where 2 by 4 where b1 by b2. Okay, so this will be b1 and this will be b2. b1, b2, c1. Okay, that this goes like this. Okay, so where b1 value is what? Let it be like b1 by b2. Where b1 by b2 equals to where b1 value here 2 by b2 value is 4. Clear? This is what happens where 1 by 2. If I simplify it. Okay, I got this. Now next what next? Here you have c1 by c2. Where c1 value, guys, say what is the c1 value over here? Minus 4 by c2 value is minus 12. Where minus gets cancelled, for 1 is 4, for 3 is 12. So therefore I got what? 1 by 3 over here. 1 by 3 over here. So therefore I can say where a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Which is not equal to c1 by c2. Which is not equal to c1 by c2. Clear? So here I can say this, the given pair of linear equations are in parallel lines. Because if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, then it would be intersecting. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2, then it would be, if it is in this order, then it would be coincidence. If it is like this, means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2, then it would be parallel. If a1 by a2 which is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, then it will also be in the parallel form. So therefore I can say the given linear equations are parallel. Clear? Are parallel. So this is what happens. Clear, guys? Very good. Now let's go for the third one. Give an example for each arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So now what you do is give an example for arithmetic progression and geometric progression. We know what is arithmetic and geometric progressions, right? Arithmetic progression means adding one number, and geometric progression means multiplying that number. So here, guys, the third one, we are going to deal with the third one, right? Third one. Let us write down. Give an example for arithmetic progression. I'm writing as AP and GP, guys. AP and GP means arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Now here solution. Let's take one value here. Coming back to this arithmetic progression, I would like to take 2. Okay, so let us start with 2. Where example for A. Example for A. Okay. So here, it's not division symbol, it's equal. Okay. Now here AP arithmetic progression. Let's take 2. Okay, 2. Come on. Now take one number. Okay, take one constant. Let it be like the number. Let it be 3. Okay, here I am taking 3. So where 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Sorry, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 2, 23. So this is what, guys. So here, if I look up at the difference, where let it be like where 20 minus 17, the difference is 3. The difference is 3 over here. So the difference will be 3, guys. So this is what the arithmetic progression is. Taking a constant, taking a number. Now what to do is just keep on adding that number to this number. Where 2 plus 5, 8. Sorry, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So this is what arithmetic progression is. Now example for geometric progression, let us make it fast. Example for GP, geometric progression. Geometric progression, again take a number, let it be 2. Now multiply with it, where 2, let it be 2. Okay, 2 2s 4, right? So 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s, so here I have taken 2 number, okay, number 2. 8 2s 16, 16 2s 32, 32 2s, how much? 64, okay, 64 2s 128, it goes, okay. So this is what the geometric progression is, taking a constant number. Now here you're doing nothing else. Here you are just adding it. Here you are multiplying it. That's all. Okay. So here we are 2 plus 3. Here 2 into 2. 4. 4 into 2. 8. 8 into 2. 16. 16 into 2. 32. 32 into 2. 16. Okay. That goes on. This is what the example for AP and GP. Clear? Now next one, the fourth question is, find the probability of getting a vowel if letter is chosen randomly from the English alphabet. So, wait a minute, I will be writing the question. Okay. So, the given question is, let's just understand the question here. Well, this, the fourth one is from probability lesson. Okay. Find the probability of getting vowel. So, probability of getting vowel from English alphabets. English alphabet. So probability of getting vowels from English alphabet. So however we have English alphabets are of 26, right? So firstly, to find it, where vowels are only 5, A, E, I, O, U, we know this. So here the solution will be probability of getting vowels from English alphabets. Which is chosen randomly from the English alphabets, it will be. But here probability of getting vowels from English alphabet, so total number of outcomes. Okay, so here what you do is total total favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Firstly, total number of favorable outcomes. So here total number of favorable outcomes will be what? Is the total number of favorable outcomes is nothing but the outcomes of vowels. Yes. How many vowels you have? A, E, I, O, U means 5 vowels you have. Okay. Total number of favorable outcomes is 5. Clear? Next what is total number of possible outcomes? So total number of possible outcomes. So the total number of possible outcomes means what? You can consider this alphabets, English alphabets, 26 alphabets you have, right? So then the total number of possible outcomes will be 26. Now what you do is that P of so let the probability of getting vowels is represented by P of A. Okay, I'm representing like this. Okay, just like P of A. Okay, like that. Now here then what happens? The total number of favorable outcomes. So total number of favorable outcomes. By total number of possible outcomes. So let me write it down here. Total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so then what it happens here? You have 5. So favorable outcomes are 5. 5 by 26. 5 5 by 26. So therefore I can say guys where therefore the probability of getting ovals okay. Ovals from English alphabet is 5 by 26. Okay, so this is what it is. Thank you. Now the fifth one. Find the volume of a hemisphere bowl whose radius is 2.8 centimeters. So they are asked to find the volume of hemisphere. So they have already given the value of radius, where radius equals to 2.8 centimeters. Now we must find the volume of a hemisphere. We know the formula where volume of hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here solution. So therefore the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, like so here I have the volume of hemisphere. Let us write down here where volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, sorry. Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r pi value we know 22 by 7, right? So where r radius, where radius value we can take. Also here I would like to take where r value they have already given the value, where radius r equals to 2.8 centimeters. Let it be. So here guys, especially for me, when the values are in decimal points, I feel scared. I feel very scared to solve the given problem. So what I do is just convert this decimal into fractional form. So then what to do? For 2.8, if you wanted to convert into a fraction, we can say like 28 by 10. We have already dealt this in the previous questions as well. Where 2.8 equals to 28 by 10, because after decimal I have only one digit 8. So then in the denominator we should place only 1 0, which is 10. That's all. Okay. So here I got what? Where 2.8 converting into fraction form, where decimal form, converting this decimal form into fractional form, this gives 28 by 10. So here therefore I got it. Now just apply the given formula where 2 by 3 as it is, where 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into r radius, where radius equals to r cube. Okay, where radius equals to 28 by 10 into 28 by 10 cube, right? So 3 times 28 by 10 into 28 by 10 into 28 by 10. Clear? Now what you do is just try to cancel it. 7 and 7 count is put 7 4s 28. 7 4 times 7 4s 28. 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 4s 28. And what else? 2 1s are 2. 2 5s 4 2. So 2 2s 4. 2 5s 10 again. So here 2 1s are 2 again. And what else here? 2 5s. Now here I got what? 22 into 1 gives 20. That's all. 22 into 28 into 28. Now here I got what? 22 into 28 into 28 by where 3 5 15 15 5 75 75 into 5 how much? 75 into 5 320. 3 5 is 15 15 5 75 75 into 5 wait a minute there 55 370 375 we got. Now here by 22 into 28 into 28, this gives 17248 by 375. So this gives what is 45.9946 but let it be. So here this gives what? 45.994. A little bit 45.988 anything, but yeah. So here I have considered 45.994. This is in volume, right? So they're talking about volume, so let it be centimeter cube. Clear? So therefore I can say, wait a minute. Therefore, the volume of hemisphere is 45.994 centimeter cube. Okay. So this problem is nothing, just so remembering this formula is very important. By remembering the formula, anyone will be getting this problem easy. Okay, so this is what we have solved the fifth question. We have the sixth one. In triangle ABC, where D is parallel to BC, if AD is to BD or DB equals to 2 is to 3 and AE equals to 3x plus 1 and EC equals to 5x, then find the value of x. So here guys, so this is the given question, then find the value of x. Firstly, they have given one triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle ABC, where D is parallel to BC. So this is D, where D is parallel to BC. AD is to DB equals 2 is to 3. So AD is to DB or BD equals to 2 is to 3. So where AD is 2. So I can write this as AD by DB equals to 2 by 3. Right? So I can write like this. So let this be 2, let this be 3. Clear? Now where AE value, so this is the AE value where AE equals to 3x plus 1 and EC equals to 5x. EC equals to 5x. Clear? Then find the value of x. So here they asked to find the value of x. Now to solve the given question, what I would do over here is, to solve the given question, nothing. They already given that D is parallel to BC. Means here D is parallel to BC. Then AB equals to AC, right? By using Thales theorem, I can say if both lines are parallel. So here, if these both are parallel, then automatically the sides will also be equal, right? So here, by using Thales theorem, what I do is, I would like to write where AD by DB equals to AE by EC. Okay, by using Thales theorem, I have written like this. Now let us write down the values of AD. AD value is 2 by DB value 3 equals to AE value 3x plus 1 by how much? EC value is 5x. Clear? Now to do is cross multiply this. After doing cross multiplication, this becomes 2 into 5x, which is equal to 3 into 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Clear? Now what to do? Further process, this becomes 10x equals to 3 into 3x. 3 into 3x. 3 into 1, like that. Okay? So 3 into 3x gives 9x. 9x. 3 into 1 plus 3. 3 into 1, 3, 3 1 3. So plus 3. Now what to do? I need x value. So what you do is just transpose this 9x to the other side. Just transpose that 9x to the other side. This becomes 10x minus 9x equals to 3. Okay? So here 10x minus 10 minus 9 gives 1. So this gives 1 means x, where x equals to 3. So therefore the value of x equals to 3. Clear? Hope you understand. Thank you.